On your home screen on your Brother Entrepreneur Pro, you will see there is 4 options where you can input designs into your machine. The first one is by using the machine's own memory and some of the designs that are already loaded in. The second one is by USB key. The third one is by USB key, but there's also a mouse symbol, as this is going to allow you to also plug in a mouse. And the fourth option is to transfer designs from your PC or laptop using the cable that is included. At the side of the sewing machine, you will also see that here you have the USB port that your USB key will go in. This is the port to use if you're using the USB option with a mouse, and the bottom one is if you are using the computer to transfer the images from your PC or laptop. Using any USB key, simply pop it into the slot that you wish to use. Now I'm just going to click on the USB key option, and here we can see is all our designs. If we select this one, this is now going to bring up our design, and we can take a closer look, make sure it's the design we want. We can also see what it's going to look like within the hoops. When we're happy, click set. So here on this screen now, we can change the size, we can rotate it, we can change the colouring, we can move the position of the design up or down, left or right within our hoop. So we're just going to make this one a little bit smaller. And then when we're happy, we simply click close. If you don't want to do any more editing, simply edit end. And here now we've just got another screen that shows the actual size, the colour thread. And if you don't want to make any more changes, simply click sew in. And now it will show you all the colours that's going to be used in your design, how long it's going to take, how many stitches. And if everything's to your satisfaction, then you're ready to start sewing.